So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is going to be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, and to be removing all of the white paint from the brickwork around the front door, around all of the arches. Be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then we're going to be repointing all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar. I'm going to take you upstairs and show you what we'll be doing upstairs as well. Really big job this one, another nice project to showcase. So let's show you upstairs what we'll be doing upstairs. So as you can see on the arches, we'll be taking all of the paint off all of the arches. We're going to be tuck pointing all of the arches. As you can see, all of the sand and cement mortar, that's all going to be taken out, replaced with natural lime mortar. Still got the original tuck pointing, we can see in areas there. So I believe the customer is having either a flush finish or a penny roll finish on all of the London stock brickwork, and then tuck pointing on all of the arches. Same with the decoration, getting all the old loose flaky paint off all of the stonework, filling decoration to all of the stonework. There you go again, see the original tuck pointing still on the brickwork from when it was first repointed and built by the Victorians. Some big gaps in the brickwork, as you can see, all need sorting out. Up onto the top lift, same again. As you can see, the lovely detail on all the arches. We'll be taking all of that paint off, getting all of that exposed. Decoration to all of the woodwork as well. Some nice features to work with, some different combinations of brick. Same again up on the top of the gable. All of that's going to be cleaned and repointed, all tuck pointed, all decoration on all of the woodwork. So yeah, this is going to be a massive transformation. I'm looking forward to getting stuck into this and transforming it once again to the best house on the street as usual. So yeah, like I say, plenty to be getting on with here. Another massive big project underway. I'm just going to show you a little bit downstairs as well. So let's show you downstairs. Yeah, really busy times at the moment. So many projects booked in. Got some lovely work coming up on some other houses that are going up this week. Some more scaffolding's going up this week. Got a couple of other projects that we're working on. I need to get out a video, show you guys them as well. So as you can see, all of this artwork here, that's all going to be tuck pointed, going to look amazing. All of the capitals, all decoration to all of the stonework here, low level as well. So yeah, so another busy start to the week, and we'll show you some updates on this in the next few days, week or so, once it's really underway. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.